In this session, we're going to see how easy it is to connect our phone, app shell in our phone with our VM. Because remember in the previous session, we saw that we were connected with the demo machine. But if you're doing real demos and if you want to test something on your own and have full control of it, you want to connect it either with your VM or whatever setup of LS Central you have. So before we start, we need to know the IP address of your VM. This is explained in the VM guide document, but just to give you what you have to look at. Go into Hyper-V, and here do you have the summary open or the networking open? Look at the networking tab, and here you have the IP address. Another way is to go into the VM, and there you can go to the command prompt and key in ipconfig, and here you have the IP address. If this doesn't work, then something is wrong with the setup in your VM. You either haven't set up the virtual switch manager or you need to have the correct settings for your VM. If you have troubles doing that, there are two things to do. Look into the VM documents that are with the VM or talk to your IT department. Get some specialists to help you. So now let's go and do this change. We need to open settings here and we need to change something here. What we need to do is this part here, appshell.lsretail.com, needs to be deleted. And instead, we're going to put in the IP address of the machine we are connecting. In my case now, the VM. When you have keyed in the IP address, you need to do :8080. Then you need to take this S out, HTTPS, so it's only HTTP. And you need to make sure that the service is the one we're using, and the VM has the service LS Central. Next thing to do is to change the user. And who is the user we're going to use? There are two ways to find out. Informations are in the VM guide document, or the other way is to go into the VM and open back office of our LS Central. Where do you think I'm going? Where is it we put in the user with the terminal? So where do we look? We are going to go into retail users. Isn't that the place where we connect users and terminals? And to give you a little hint, we are going to look into store 1 or S0001. Then we don't have as many lines here. And here we have it, the LS app shell R with retail R2, R3. We can use one of these. Fine, let's remember that. This is the guy we're going to be using. So we're going to put the user in here, LS app shell R. We need to change the password as well. So what is the password? All the users of the VM, for convenience use for you guys, have the same password. So it's the famous yes, I, no. Make sure you key it in correctly. And now you're done. Let's start the POS. And if you haven't done any mistake and the phone and the VM are connected together, you're ready. See, it's on the way. Okay, and here we are. Log on. The user 101. Okay. We can press start. Are you going to sell in the catalog? Select some items. Go back. Here you are. Finish the sale as we did before. Press the total. And cash if you like. Key in amount if you like. And OK. If you rather like to have your printing directly to the virtual printer inside the VM, there is information how to do that with the VM guide. And one more thing I want to talk to you about. That's the look and layout. In the phone I'm using, maybe the font is too big. You see it here. I can easily change the style profile to make it smaller. I could as well change the look and layout. So when I did this phone layout in the beginning, I decided to have the journal here, input field here, and buttons here. And a few years ago, when we started to use a phone for this purpose, I was asked to create a look and layout for it, create a setup. And I took a POS that was maybe not same look, but had some similarity I saw I could use. And it took me only one day to change from a POS in full size to this look for a small device like a phone. I don't think that's a lot of time. And since then, I've done some minor changes, not much, and people have been happy about it. I have not got lots of feedback, almost none, with the look and layout. Done little bit changes requested by my developers, but otherwise everybody has been happy to use it. It doesn't have to look like this. The input field could be on the top. The journal could be on the bottom. What do you want? What do your customers want to do? It's easy to change it, and you do it with the same methods, the same tool as you did with the full-size POS. You cannot change it on the phone, but you could start this look in your VM. So you could change it there, or you could change it in back office. So it's the same tools as we're used to. I hope you like it as much as I do, and I hope you enjoy using the phone as much as I do, because I think if you're doing demos, it's very important to show how easy it is to use your phone connected to the LS Central.